G'day guys, today's midnight, okay, Friday the 22nd, and I'm looking at Ethereum and there's a few scenarios that I'll be sharing with you, so looking for setups. And I'm not saying this is what's going to happen, but if it does, this is what we plan to do. First one is, I believe that is the bottom, and we're just going to do lower highs on the way. If we find that price does hit this first target, then there could be a potential pullback into this strong support for a number of reasons, and therefore we can just continue on and then go look for the highs. And this major level neckline will be a resistance and potentially pullback. So that pullback there is one potential option. If it does pull back further, this is another good position. It's a monthly level with the naked point of control. It's also a 618 level. So this is a strong level. Also, it is we'll go to our lower highs, just continuing on, and therefore we can push to the immediate target here. Obviously, that's the first target, that's the second target, and then the third target further on. But I don't think it will just go straight up. But what you can see is pretty much an ascending level, a trend line of some sort, and we're looking for the more highs. So that is a bullish perspective from that scenario. I'm pretty confident that that can happen. Okay, if however we get the rejection and price does pull back, then we'll look for slightly more lows than this previous one. Here is also a good position potentially because of this naked point of control. It might just go past that Fibonacci level. This level, it is an area that I'm looking at, not just a specific line. The monthly is there, so and then we've got these levels here, but it never stopped it from doing that. So we can still have a wick, but if we get a wick past this pink level, then and regains that level here, then it's a long. So it's a good sign. Um, and having those wicks come further down, it's not problematic at all. It's actually a good thing to see a wick in the making. However, when we look at this from this perspective, we are looking for more highs. I think this will be a strong resistance and then consolidation, and then we'll see. But then I don't think it will pull back much because once it's already broken above this level ever so slightly, and there's a bit of a battle there. If, however, it is to come down, then what we've done is that is the ABC move, the deep one. And then this is the ideal situation, risk to reward ratio, and then pretty much blast off. So I will be looking to stock up here. Here is when we got the wick here, it was the top of this. And looking at the meat of it is right there. So another taking out that liquidity. Also taking out this liquidity further underneath here will be ideal for this to come and then bring up, and that is our ABC correction as well. So those are two scenarios that I'm pretty confident in. If you want to look for a short, I'll just give you this scenario as well. So we said this is likely to be a strong resistance level because it's also another monthly and a weekly level. So this is going to be a strong resistance, and therefore we use this potentially a shorting position. And if it goes above this slightly monthly level there, then your stop loss is probably justified to being there. So they might look for the squeeze on the shorts, and this is looking for that just to take that out. And if it's going to go further up, then that's pretty bullish, and that's why you need your stop losses. You want to see a good candle reaction, a swing failure pattern or failed auction for it to come back down. So you better look at your entry pretty carefully. And let's see if we've got something else that can substantiate it. Give me a sec. Let's see, we get our anchor wrap. No, that's not what I wanted. So that's already coming down as a resistance. Let's get a different result. Other charts. Let's do this again. Okay, so that's coming down in confluence to this level here. So you can see this anchored WAP is likely to be resistance in that area as well. So it gives you the justification for shorting position. We are bullish. Now, can this looks more like a V-shaped type of thing. So I'm looking for more highs, and that's probably the bottom. But there is also that potential to short it down here as well. Please give me a like and share, and I'll talk to you soon.
There you have it. Please give Sam a like, share, and subscribe to his channel to support him for doing more of these posts.